You can start earning real money as a kid this week in just a few simple steps. No experience or allowance needed. I started at 7 and I'll show you exactly how to go from $0 to earning $100 a week and how to avoid one big mistake most kids make when trying to earn money. Most kids think making money is just about doing chores for a few bucks, like helping clean the kitchen or folding laundry. That's fine, but it won't make you real money. Let me tell you about two kids in my neighborhood, Jake and Sarah. Jake only works when his mom tells him to. He rakes some leaves, gets $20, and that's it. Sarah, she runs a lawn care business. She made flyers, she has regular customers, she even bought her own tools using her earnings. Jake makes $20 once in a while. Sarah makes $75 every week from just a few neighbors. What's the difference? It's not age or skills, it's the mindset. Jake sees chores, Sarah sees problems she can solve. Jake waits to be told what to do. Sarah looks for people who need help and offers to fix it for a fair price. The secret? Think like a business owner, not a helper. You don't need to go door to door and get rejected 20 times. Start with your inner circle. That's people who already know you, like family, friends, neighbors, and extended family. Here are some practical tips. Tell your parents exactly what you're offering and ask them to share with 3 people. Something like, "Hey mom, I want to start a dog walking business. Can you tell your coworkers?" Post on Facebook or the Nextdoor app if you're old enough, or get an adult's help. Make a flyer. Include what you do, your name, and a phone number or email. Put it up at grocery stores or libraries. Always charge by the job, not the hour. People like knowing what they'll pay upfront. Want people to say yes faster? Offer a trial deal. For example, mow a lawn for $15 instead of $30. Once you show how good your work is, they'll hire you again and happily pay full price. You don't need fancy stuff. Start small, use what you have, and grow from there. Let's look at 3 popular services. Lawn care. Start with a rake, some trash bags, and gloves. You can borrow tools from your family at first. Most people need weeding or raking more than they need a riding mower. Pet sitting. You need a leash, treats, and a way to send updates like texts or photos. Pet owners care more about trust than fancy gear. Cleaning. Use your family's vacuum, a bottle of all-purpose cleaner, and some rags. That's it. Once you make your first $100, buy better tools. Reinvest in your business slowly. Getting one customer is great, but getting them to keep coming back is even better. Here's how. Step 1. After you finish a job, send a text like, "Hey, I finished your yard. Want to schedule this every 2 weeks for $25 per visit?" Step 2. Always ask if they want it done again. Don't wait for them to call you. Step 3. Ask this magic question. Do you know anyone else who might want this service? Most people know others who need help, but you have to ask. Following up, offering schedules, and asking for referrals are the 3 things that turn one-time jobs into weekly income. You don't need to be the best or have the fanciest stuff. What really matters is showing up, solving problems, and being reliable. You can absolutely make $50 to $100 per week. Start small, stay consistent, and build from there. As you start earning money, you absolutely need to invest some of it so it grows into a lot more money with 0 effort from you. Watch this video for a step-by-step guide to start investing as a teen.